Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good day to everyone watching this video. I'm Najla Murni binti Ramle. My Matric number is 221302400. I'm a youth student from Electronic Network Design. So today I'll be presenting to you guys about converting expressions using stack. In this video, we'll be having 5 parts. The first part is introduction, followed by infix, postfix, prefix, and the example of conversion process of prefix to postfix and postfix to prefix. In the world of mathematical expressions, we have 3 main ways to write them down, which are infix, prefix, and postfix. Each way shuffles around the operators like plus, minus, multiply, and division, and the operands, which is the numbers, to create different notations. While infix is key for human readability, computers often find prefix and postfix easier to handle. These notations do rely on parentheses or operator precedence rules, making them more efficient for evaluation. Imagine converting expression is like rearranging furniture. Infix keep things mostly in place, just scooting the operator around. Prefix yanks the operator to the front of the room. Postfix shoves the operand aside and lets the operator clean up behind them. Converting between these notations can be done with a set of rules, but it can get a bit complex. The classic math notation you're probably most familiar with. The operator sits snugly between the two operands it acts on. For instance, 2 plus 3 or s multiply y are both infix expressions. In postfix notation, the parting happens after. The operand parade goes first, then the operator follows behind. So 2 plus 3 becomes 2, 3, and plus. And s multiplied y becomes x, y multiplied. The operator gets promoted to the top of the expression like a boss. It precedes both of its operands, so the prefix version of 2 plus 3 would be plus 2 and 3. And x multiplied by y becomes multiply x and y.
Now I'm going to show you the conversion of prefix to postfix expression using stack data structure. So these are the rules for prefix to postfix conversion using stack data. First, we scan the prefix expression from right to left, i.e. reverse of the expressions. Then if the incoming symbol is an operand, then we push it into the stack. But if the incoming symbol is an operator, then we pop two operands out of the stack. And once it is popped up from the stack, we add the incoming symbol after the operands. When the operator is added after the operands, then the expression is pushed back into the stack. Once the whole expression is scanned, pop and print the postfix expression from the stack. Now we have an example here. The expression is multiply minus a divided by bc minus divided by akl. Now we need to remember the first rules is to scan the prefix expression from right to left. So this is our stack. The first thing we encounter here, the first symbol is L. L is an operand, so if we encounter an operand, we push it into the stack. Now L, we push it into the stack. And then we encounter K, we push it into the stack too. We do the same to A. Now we encounter our next symbol is an operator, which is a division symbol. Now when we encounter a division symbol, let's see the rules here. If the incoming symbol is an operator, then pop two operands from the stack and add the incoming symbol after the operands. Now we pop the two last symbol we push into the stack, which is A and K, and we add the symbol, the division here, after the two operands, we pop out of the stack. And then we push it back. We push this back into the stack. Now, the next symbol is minus. So we pop again these two, which is the last two symbol in the stacks, A, K, division, and L. And then we add the minus after all of the symbol we pop out of the stack. Now we push it back into the stack here, and then we continue. After minus is C. C is an operand, so we just push it into the stack. We do the same to B, which is also an operand, and then we see here the division symbol, which is an operator. So what we do, we pop the last two, B, C, and we add the division after the two operands. And then we push it back into the stack, and then we see here an operand, we push, and then minus. So we pop these two back, A, B, C, divide by, then we add minus after the two operands, then we push it back into the stack. Then now our last symbol is an operator, which is a multiply symbol. So we pop these two out from the stack, A, B, C, divide by minus, A, K, divide by L, minus, and we just add the multiply after these two symbol we just pop out of the stack. Okay, now our final answer is this. So we can check the final answer here. ABC divide by negative AKL. ABC divide by negative AK divide by L minus multiply. So this is the example for prefix to postfix expression conversion. Moving on, these are the steps used to convert postfix to prefix expression using stack, which is the vice versa of what I have showed you before, the conversion of prefix to postfix expression. So this is what we do in reverse to prefix to postfix. So the first rule is we scan the postfix expression from left to right. Okay, if the element is an operand, then we push into the stack. If the element is an operator, we pop the two operands from the stack, and then we create an expression by concatenating two operands and adding operator before the operands. Okay, then we push the result back to the stack and repeat the above steps until we reach the end of the postfix expression. Now let's understand the conversion of postfix to prefix expression using this example. What we have here is AB plus CD minus multiply. So remember the first rules is We scan the postfix expression from left to right. Now we have stack here. Remember what? If we encounter an operand, we just push it into the stack. We have A, and then we have B. Push it into the stack, and then we have plus. Plus is an operator, so we pop out these two out of the stack. You need to remember in this conversion, we don't do it like this, okay? We need to do it like this. B, and then A, okay? And then the operator in the rules, we need to add operator before the operand. So here is the operand, so we add plus before the operands. Now we push it back into the stack. After that, we have C, which is an operand, and D. Now we encounter operator, so what we do, we pop these two. Remember, D at the back, then C, and then minus, we put before the two operands. Then we push it back into the stack. Then we encounter multiply, so we pop these two, negative C, D, and then plus A, B. This is two operand. Then we add the symbol, the operator, which is a multiplier. We add it before these two operands, which is here. So our final answer will be multiply plus AB minus CD. So this gonna be our final answer. If we check the answer here, multiply plus AB minus CD is matched. So that's it. Thank you.